Ready to uncover the magic behind writing stories that teachers love and readers remember? Imagine opening a book and watching your own characters leap off the page, your ideas turning into unforgettable adventures. It all starts with a simple secret. Great stories can be created by anyone, and you only need a few powerful tools to get started. Let's begin with the story recipe, the same formula top children's authors use. First, choose a character your readers will care about. Maybe it's a brave astronaut, a mischievous cat, or a curious explorer. Give your character a wish or problem, something they want or need to fix. This is the heart of your story. Next, bring your world to life. Where does your story take place? Is it a magical kingdom, a school playground, or the farthest planet in the solar system? Adding tiny details, like the shimmer of dragon scales or the sound of sneakers on a gym floor, makes your setting feel real and exciting. Now, it's time for the adventure. Think of 3 important events. First, what starts your story? Then, what challenges or surprises happen in the middle? Finally, how does your character solve their biggest problem? Keep it simple and let the action flow from one step to the next. But here's the magic trick teachers don't always share. Revision. When you finish your first draft, read your story out loud. You'll spot sentences that sound funny or ideas you forgot. Add one new detail or change a word to something stronger. This turns good stories into great ones. With just these steps, you can write amazing stories in minutes. So grab your pencil, unleash your imagination, and remember, your story magic starts now. Every great author was once a beginner. Let your adventure begin.